Hello my loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today's healing session is about karmic resolution. So all you need to do to receive this healing energy is to nod or affirm yes. If you have eyes open or eyes closed, doesn't matter. I trust that you find this video in divine timing, and I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. Go ahead and get yourself settled or comfortable in your seat or laying down or whatever you're doing. Take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Feeling called to call in the archangels, Michael, Raphael, Uriel, Metatron, Gabriel, Nathaniel, Melchizedek, and all of the other archangels. Lady Nada. Bringing through the blue ray, divine blue ray today. And just bring your focused awareness to your ancestral line. And bring your focused awareness to the relationships in your life that have created difficulty. Whether there's still contact or no. Any kind of discord in any kind of relationship, whether it's a friend or a family or a workmate or a child, a parent. Just bringing your awareness to the discord or the talk or the schism or the fractiousness that is present. You can just start with one relationship. There might be multiple, but you can do this for each relationship one at a time if you like also. Or you can group them together for this healing. Just bringing them into your awareness. Because what we're doing here today is to dissipate and dissolve and resolve and absolve the karmic ties that have got you bound. Just to become mindful that perhaps the relationship with this person, the connection to this person may echo and ripple through all space-time dimensions in an infinite universe with multiple parallel universes, great fractal of existence. Where your soul tribe, your soul family have gathered over and over and over again on the karmic wheel of life to bump up against each other, to love each other, to hate each other, to exist with each other, to learn in the great mystery school of life, to repeat over and over again the same patterns of experience until the soul awakens. Finds resolution, finds healing, releases what no longer serves, releases what no longer needs to catalyze the evolution of your consciousness. Just clearing any binds, any contracts, any curses, any hexes, whether they're legal, whether they're spoken, unspoken, whether they're in thought, intent, any shackles, actual or metaphorical, any chains, any entwinements, any cords, just changing the old story. Any belief patterns that no longer serve, any habits that are tied into this karma with this relationship that no longer serve you. Take a deep breath. Any energetic ties and trusting that what surfaces in your mind as I'm working is what you're ready to clear, what you're ready to integrate, what you're able to process and integrate as a result of receiving this healing. You wouldn't be here if it wasn't by divine timing. It wasn't your spirit guiding you to receive this healing energy. Take another deep breath. So with the dissolution of karmic ties, with the resolution of karmic binds, comes aha moments, comes memories, comes realizations, recognition of patterns of behavior that no longer serve, ready to let go, bringing you into alignment with your own self-care, your own path, what serves you, your own sovereignty, your own self-love, your own connection to source. Not being dependent on another to fuel that, finding that generating self-love source right inside you. All you need right here. Feeling that magnetic pulse, source of all creation, generated from within. Deep peace. Knowing that you have everything you need right here. And to seal in this healing energy, take another deep breath. Bless and loves.